So yeah, we did it. Everything is in there. Everything works. Okay, that was the wrong to open. This one works. But yeah, it's really good. Okay, that's it. Good morning, good people. So basically we are back at April Scales. Last week I did carpentry and didn't like it. I'll tell you more about that. But previously we did plumbing and we did plastering, and this week is going to be about kitchen installments. So how do you fit a kitchen? And there is quite a lot to go through, so let's directly dig in. Obviously, we start with a clear area. Do yourself a favor, if possible, do everything that you can before installing the kitchen to get the floors and the walls level. I can't emphasize this enough. It's going to save you a lot of hassle. The kitchen we were installing was originally a flat pack, meaning that just like you would with your IKEA furniture, you would assemble the cabinets before installing. Luckily, that was actually done for us. And we start with the floor cabinets. So you can see us really focusing on the corner cabinet first, make sure that that is level, and then aligning all the cabinets that come afterwards, making sure that they're level as well. And obviously you can use the walls to help you level your cabinets, but also use the adjustable feet that you can find on the bottom. Nice little tip here from Dean, who was our trainer for the week. Using a saw to put the laser level up gives you more horizontal space to adjust your level. Great tip. And that also means that we are now ready to move to the wall cabinets. Now, I never knew that wall cabinets were hung by just such an easy little fixture. Make sure that you measure the bracket or the fixture and obviously align your laser level to the exact measurement. Okay, so we are almost ready to move to the countertops, but before we do, we're actually cutting and installing some of the side decorative panels, which you can see over here. Okay, let's get the heavy machinery out because we are finally going to work on our countertops. So this tool here is like a template for the router, which helps you create joints and really ensuring that if you have two pieces of laminated countertops, that they really stick well together. Yeah, without these tools, you will not be able to build and fit your kitchen. So here you can see the router in action. What we also did on the bottom of the countertop is actually creating specific holes for the plugs that actually squeeze the entire thing together. I think they're called zip bolts, but don't hold me to it. And then you can also see these biscuit holes, again, just to make sure that the entire tabletop is really smooth together. And we're getting closer and closer to the final product. These are just the cutouts for the hob and for the sink. And here we are laminating the areas that were cut, just to make sure that it looks fantastic. And yeah, this is the results of the joints together. It's flush, it looks pretty good, especially for, hey, you know what, doing this the very first time. And then the final pieces of work here, hanging up the doors, installing the handles, making sure that the doors are straight and level again. And that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I sure did. Next week we are up for tiling, so hopefully see you there. Goodbye, good people.